Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome to this video. This is Olympiad 2 Mathematics channel where we discuss questions of mathematics, numbers of mathematics, items, and also we make presentations on mathematics topics. So if you are not this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload any video, like and share. Tonight I brought you this math trick. It is a question whereby it is asking us what is the value of the expression here, and we have the question marks. So this is Olympiad 2 math channel, so please endeavor to watch up to the end so that you understand it very well. The question is simply the way it is. Here we have root 2. Take an example. One would begin by saying that this is the same as maybe 2 raised to power maybe 0, whereby we say that any number to power 0 is 1. But guess what? This answer is wrong. It is completely wrong. Let us now see how the correct one would be. So this is the same as having the 2 raised to power 1 divided by 0. For example, you can determine that these two expressions are equal. For example, if I have the square root or the cube root of 8, this is the same as having 8 raised to power 1 divided by 3, which gives me the 2 raised to power 3, then again raised to power a third, whereby our final result becomes 2, since this 3 cancels with this after a multiplication and remain with the 2 power 1, which now completely gives us the answer to be 2. So in the same way, we are going to get the value of the expression in the question, which is, so now this is equal to, remember, 1 divided by 0. This gives us indeterminate value. In other words, this one is the same as infinity. Therefore, in this number, we are going to have the 2 raised to power the infinity. Therefore, 2 raised to power infinity is the same as having the infinity. In fact, this is an indeterminate value. Therefore, we can conclude and say that therefore, our expression, which is this, is the same as the infinity, the indeterminate value. Thanks for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe to our channel, which is the Olympiad 2 Mathematics. Goodbye. See you again in the next video.